Alright guys, this is part 2 of our 2019 preseason deer vlog. This is that new deer cart that we had put together. You guys seen me do a little bit of a short review on. We're going to get it out and use it today. That way we can try it out and see how this thing works. So I'm going to get this baby out and get her put together. The beauty of editing. Come on guys, let's load this thing up and get going. So far guys, as you can see, looks like everything's holding up pretty good on there. What we did do, there's some extra holes on these brackets where you can adjust that piece up, that support, you can adjust it up. That way it can kind of cradle your gear a little more, so that seems like that's pretty nice. And basically we're on a piece of property. You can see our four-wheeler trail here, but we wanted to try this cart out and see how it worked. We're going into that spot where guys on the vlog that we did, and where we filled that SD card up within 3 days. So what we're going to do to remedy that problem is we brought a battery pack, and we brought one of our AT&T cameras that we use, the Spartan camera, and that way we don't have to come back in here fool with this spot. Once we get done here, we can sit there and get those photos to our phone immediately. And I'll tell you what guys, that's the way to go right there. So far so good with the old deer cart. I'm happy. We come off the hill there and it kind of held its own, and really looking forward to using it this year, and hopefully we'll be using this on some of the forest property, getting some of those deer out from some of them access areas. Alright guys, cart worked pretty good. Now we had to go mobile. Tree stand's probably about 450 yards in that direction up on top of a ridge. It's a spot that's got several white oaks and it's got a few scattered red oaks in there, and that's where our camera's at that we have in there right now. But what we're going to do, like I said earlier, we brought a battery pack that way to last longer. We're going to put our Spartan camera in there, that way we can get them photos sent directly to our cell phone where we can kind of see what's going on. So we'll get back with you when we get up there to the future tree stand location. Alright guys, I made it. You can tell I'm out of shape, but that's the whole purpose of this pre-season preparation, is getting in shape for bow season. Because that time comes, you want to be able to make these hikes, especially if you want to get away from people in your club. And it's hunting real close. That's about the only way you can have some luck deer hunting, is get out here away from the crowd, like I said, whether it be on public land or whether it's at your own hunting club. So this is kind of a little remote spot that we have off some property we got, and we don't want to drive no four-wheelers, ATVs or anything in here. I'm sure me sweating all over the place ain't helping none either. But that's alright. What we're going to do with this little vlog here is we have this spot to check, and we have one more. We're not going to bore you with a second spot. But what we'll do is we're going to put out some deer cane. Firm believer in it. Used it for years. It works good. For some reason, especially in these areas around Walker and Winston County, I don't know what it is about our area, but they seem to like it. I have good success with it. And so what we're going to do is put out that Spartan game camera, that one we can monitor with our phone, that way we're not in here constantly. Put out our bag of corn we got on our back, and see if we can get some good photos. And what we'll do is at the end of this vlog, Chris will take and link in and tell you this is spot 1, and the second spot that we have be spot 2. So we'll show you the photos that we get from that and from this spot here. So stay tuned, guys, for the next vlog. And if you hadn't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and y'all have a great afternoon.
Alright guys, just got done editing that last clip, and I guess y'all noticed a little bit of the heavy breathing. Like he said, what I'm going to do is go ahead and include some of these pictures of the 2 spots that we checked the other day. The first spot is going to be the one that we put the Spartan Go Cam out on. So I'm actually going to include pictures from the camera that was previously there, which was a Bushnell camera, and also the Spartan Go Cam. That way you can see how cool the app is as far as being able to receive your pictures pretty much within instantaneously of actually getting the pictures. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put those in now. Alright guys, spot number 1 turned out to be a pretty decent spot. Got a good bit of deer in it, and hopefully we'll be able to put some meat in the fridge in that spot. Spot number 2, it had a few does and a few coons and stuff like that, but it actually filled the card up within about 3 days. So by it doing that, it literally didn't get to see much of what's actually going on in there. So really ain't nothing worth showing, so hopefully next time we'll be able to show you some more from that spot. But we really appreciate y'all watching, and if you haven't yet, man, hit that subscribe button and click the like, or click the like button. That lets us know that you like what we're doing. Also check us out on social media pages, and we appreciate y'all watching. Until next time, we'll see you.